hurricanes. Some of the main questions people ask about hurricanes is things like, how's a hurricane formed, or what conditions it needs to be created, or something like what direction hurricanes spin in the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. And we all know the eye of the hurricane. Well, why is it so unique? Who knows? Well, I do. And what happens when a hurricane hits land? Does it get stronger or weaker? Well, let's figure out. I decided to do two things: the recreation of the eye and the hurricane and a storm surge. My first project I have decided to do is how to do the storm surge. What you will need is two exact same cups and a glass bowl and an aquarium tube. Okay. So what you will need to do first is have... Okay. So what you will need to have done first is...
Take the end. Take the end.
No, not that yet. So what you'll have to do first, which I've already done, is fill the sink up. Well, have the 2 cups in first, and then fill the sink up till it's on top of the 2 cups, until it's covering the top of the 2 cups. And then you will need to put the glass bowl down on top of them. So after you have all that done, you'll... I can do this.
Mom's got to do that part because you've got to start second.
No, I won't. Mom.
Take the end.
So I... Really? Okay. So what you will have to do is... Here, I can do this part and hold it.
I got it, honey.
Hold on, I can do this part and hold it.
Do you have...
Where does it go?
Okay, go, Andy.
Don't push me!
What you will have to do is you'll have to... Can you talk for me real quick?
What she's going to do is suck air up into the tube, and it's going to raise the water level.
Is that...
Okay, that's nice.
Water, come here.
Okay, so once you suck it in, wait. What will happen, as you can see, is the water is being held up into the bowl. So once you take the aquarium tube out, you can see that the water is being held up into the bowl. So lift it. So once you lift it, the water shoots out. The water shoots out and the water shoots out. So what happened was, So what happened is when I sucked on the straw and I sucked the water up and the water came up, what happened was I was creating a low pressure system, and so once I lifted the bowl up, it shot the water out, which was like the big wave that hits land. So it was the big storm surge being released onto the land, like the big wave, and that is the storm surge.